Experimental verification of Planck's radiation law. Planck's radiation law has been verified through various experiments. Here we explain the experimental verification of Planck's radiation law by Lumer and Brinksheim experiment. They used a special type of radiating chamber which was able to act as a black body. The spectrum of black body radiation was produced by refraction using a fluorospar prism. The prism is very sensitive to the infrared radiation. The dispersed radiations are focused into well-defined spectrum with the help of a concave mirror reflector. The thermal radiation of different wavelengths and brought focus at different points and are studied with the help of bolometer. Bolometer is a platinum resistance thermometer of low thermal capacity. The thermal radiations of different wavelengths are brought focused at different points and are studied with the help of bolometer. Bolometer is a platinum resistant thermometer of low thermal capacity and high sensitivity. It can measure the radiation energy or distribution of energy. The curve was plotted between spectral energy density and the wavelength. The black body was heated to different temperatures and the curve was drawn for various temperatures up to 1646 Kelvin. It was observed that the distribution of energy in the spectrum of a black body as given by Planck's radiation law was in perfect agreement with the experiments. In figure, the curve ABC is due to Rayleigh's radiation law. The curve DEFG is due to Planck's radiation law. The curve DEFG is due to Planck's radiation formula and experiment. The curve DEHI is due to Wien's radiation formula. It is clear from figure that the curve due to Wien's radiation formula agrees with the experimental curve only at low wavelengths region, whereas the curve obtained due to Rayleigh-Jeans law agrees the experimental curve only at a large wavelength region, but the Planck's radiation law is found to be in perfect agreement with the experiments.